Next, in CSS, we are going to see how to set margin. So this is my CSS folder, and in this folder I'm creating one file, margin.html, and here this is my basic HTML code, and in body section I'm creating 3 paragraphs: para 1, para 2, and one more paragraph I'm creating, para 3. And then head section I'm giving style tag. It has both opening and closing. Now here I'm writing P for paragraph, and here I'm giving that the color of text inside paragraph should be red, and its background color should be aqua. Now I'm creating a class which is related to P, that is P.1. One is the class name, one is name of class which is related only to P. Now I'm giving here margin. Now what is margin? It defines the space or margin around the element, and we can give different margins to different sides of our element. Like here I'm giving margin top, I'm giving it 100 pixel. First of all I'll give one only, and I'm P class equals to 1. We'll see that this para 1 has 100 pixel margin from top. There are 3 paragraphs. Paragraph 2 and 3 has automatically been shifted to downside because para 1 has already got 100 pixel of margin at the top. Now we are giving other sides also. Margin hyphen, I'm giving left side to 20 pixel. Similarly, margin right and left, we give right and bottom. I'm giving it 20 pixel, and bottom margin to 20 pixel. Save it, and then click on go live. So we can see that top margin is 100 pixel, left margin, right margin, and bottom margin. We have given bottom margin 20 pixel. If we give it 200 pixel, then we can see that paragraph 2 has been shifted down. It is 200 pixel space in between these two paragraphs, paragraph 1 and paragraph 2, because paragraph 1 has bottom margin 200 pixel. Next thing is that we don't need to give margin like this. We can give it in we can give this all these margins in single statement, like margin, I'm giving here 100 pixel. This number will be considered for top margin. That means top margin is 100 pixel. Space then is right margin, then bottom, and then left. This is right margin. I'm giving it is 10 pixel. This is top margin. Then is right margin. I'm giving 50 pixel, and then is sorry, this is 50 is bottom margin, and now is right margin. I'm giving 30 pixel. Save it. Top margin is 100 pixel. Then this is right margin 10 pixel, bottom margin 50 pixel. You can see that it is 10 pixel, this is 50 pixel, and this is 30 pixel. Now instead of 4 values, if we give here 3 values, for example, I'm removing this 30 pixel from here, then this is top margin, this is left and right margin, means left and right side of your paragraph will get 10 pixel of margin, and this is bottom margin. Now instead of 3 numbers, if I am giving here 2 numbers, then this is top and bottom, and this is left and right margin. And instead of this, if I give only 100 pixel, then from left side, right side, top and bottom, all places it will be getting, paragraph will be getting 100 pixel of margin. Here it is 100 pixel, here it is 100 pixel, here it is 100 pixel, and here it is 100 pixel.